gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Haylee, and today we are going to be sharing my daily cleaning routine. This is something that I really like to do daily, is just go around the house and just do a quick little cleanup, tidy up every room, and then I will work on deep cleaning spaces throughout the day as well. But this is just a general daily cleaning that I like to get done just to help maintain my deep cleaned house. If you're new here, I just posted a 3-part series just giving my house a really good deep clean. I feel like there's just been a few spaces that were neglected, so I will have those videos linked in a playlist in the cards if you want to go watch those. But today we're just focusing on some just maintaining cleaning. I also had a few organizing things that I wanted to do, and I also have a grocery haul that I wanted to share as well. So I hope you're ready. Give the video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started in this bedroom.
I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance.
I'm not doing anything crazy as far as cleaning wise here in the bathroom, just kind of cleaning up after getting ready for the day and just the morning chaos, picking that up. And then also in my bedroom, I also needed to dust, because if you watched my last video, I forgot to dust the blinds when I had cleaned the bedroom, so I wanted to do that and then vacuum in there. The room doesn't really ever get too messy. And then I also had blinds from when I took them out of Waverly's room and Wasey's that I needed to put downstairs. But now we're moving into the living room. I always like to start with the back section or the front section of the area. Just needed to tidy a few things up. We also got these bike tubes for my husband's bike, so that way we could go on bike rides again. I just left those there since we were going to be putting those on tonight when he got home. So vacuumed there, and then we also were just gonna get this living room picked up a little bit, get the pillows put back on. I'm gonna vacuum, fold of course some laundry, all that kind of stuff, just resetting this space as well. And I just love doing these midday resets. It just helps the house not get cluttered, and then just vacuuming like that, it just keeps dust from going everywhere, and it's just kind of nice to not have as much to clean at the end of the day, because I do like to go to bed with a clean house, or at least I guess I should say a tidied house by the end of the day.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe
I can't remember if Wasey was taking a nap during this cleaning or if it was just in the afternoon and he was playing downstairs. But that's why really the living room wasn't too messy, is because the kids had been playing downstairs. But I ideally usually like to get my house kind of reset like this during the nap time. I feel like it's a good time just to have like a midday kind of reset, clean up for the day, and then we can go about the rest of the day and not have as much to clean up. And then we are starting to spend more time outside, so there isn't as many toys in general to clean up because of this, but we will clean up the playroom, just me and the kids, in the afternoon after we're playing, or when it's getting close to bedtime, we'll just do a good quick clean up in there. But I just like to do this reset usually throughout the day, just to kind of get the house cleaned up, less chaotic, and then, like I said, I can quickly tidy up at the end of the night, especially lately, because I think I mentioned in my last video that my husband broke his ribs, so he's not really able to help. So he's able to do more and more the more he's healing, but he's still trying not to overdo it so that he can actually like go to work. So I've been doing a lot more than I typically would as far as like cleaning and bedtime routine. I've taken on more of that just so that way he's not doing as much so he can heal. So just kind of keeping the house maintained is definitely nice, especially with bedtime lately too. That has been a struggle since Wasey can get out of bed. We actually have just kind of figured out if we can let Wasey go to bed, leave Waverly out, and then we're going to try to have her just lay down in our bed, and then once he falls asleep, she can go in there. Well, if she's asleep, we'll just move her in there. It's not the ideal scenario, but it's taking like close to 3 hours to get them to go to bed, and it's just not working out. We need a little like break, relax just for the night, and then they also need to get some good quality sleep, especially because they've been playing outside. So something that I also wanted to do on this reset day was run my wet vac mop. What am I saying? Wet vac mop. Is that right? Sounds weird when I'm saying it. My wet dry vac. Whatever. I can't even think about it. You know what I'm saying. I wanted to run that over. The floors were kind of dirty, so I wanted to do that as well. And then we'll do that in the kitchen too.
I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does.
I also just wanted to share a quick Walmart grocery haul. This was about $164. I got applesauce, pastas, grapes, blueberries, strawberries, and this is in no particular order, just kind of as I got it out of the bags. Q-tips, yogurt, a variety of different Lunchables. Usually work days I will let Waverly have a couple of them, and then she goes to my sister's house on Tuesday, so that's usually when she gets them too. She's gonna be stopping that though because my sister is having a baby. So this is like snacks and just regular food, dinners, breakfast, kind of just some frozen lunch stuff. I also wanted to get myself some Greek yogurt. The kids have been loving the Bluey yogurts, or I think it's the Mario one. Then I had mozzarella cheese, some little Colby Jack cheese sticks, and then some just regular shredded cheese. And then I got 2 loaves of bread. We go through bread really fast around here. And then hot dog buns. And then I also got some of these flip yogurts. I just like these in the morning just for something different. And if I don't want the Greek yogurt with granola, Wasey and Waverly love those granola bars, so I got a new big pack of those for little snacks. We got a thing of ground beef and some diced ham, and then some taco seasoning mix, country gravy, some cream cheese for 2 meals, some sour cream, refried beans, heavy cream, sliced olives for taco night, and then chicken broth for a recipe, marinara, and then Alfredo sauce, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And then you're going to see in just a second, we do get our kids mini donuts. It's something that they love to have for a little breakfast. It's not for the whole time we have the groceries, but Wasey usually gets like 2 in the morning, and then Waverly gets 3, and then we usually pair it with the yogurt and some fruit. It's not like the healthiest things, but the kids enjoy it, and you're only a kid for so long. But we got some tomatoes, avocado, peppers, some more hot dogs, onions, whole milk and 2% milk. We also have a bunch of produce in the fridge too that we hadn't used for other meals and just sides. Parmesan cheese, I forgot to mention that. Then we got these little pizza rolls, the off-brand, and then some mixed veggies, tortellini, and then some apples. So that will last us, like, I would say a week and a half, 2 weeks. It kind of just depends on if we eat out or if we don't, but some of the meals that we are planning with that is scrambled egg sandwiches, biscuits and gravy, chicken pot pie pasta, just regular Alfredo pasta, tacos, chicken fajitas, hot dogs and brats, baked tortellini, and then breakfast burritos. So we do a good variety of breakfast foods, but regular, and then usually we have like a vegetable along those if I didn't say that with them. But just planning out the meals like that is really helpful. We want to get to where we just know what we're going to have that day, because it would help us not just want to eat out. Like tonight, for example, we kind of just sat and we're like, what do we want to eat? It's so hot. We don't want to make anything. Nothing sounds good. So that would have been the night for us to be like, oh, okay, we had chicken pot pie pasta on the menu. Let's have that instead of us going and getting Chinese like we had. So that's something that we want to try to implement more. We'll just kind of have to plan it with my husband's work schedule, how he thinks he's gonna work, and then my Tuesdays and Thursdays working, all of that. So that's kind of the gist of everything. You'll have to let me know, how much do you spend on your groceries per week or every 2 weeks? We usually like to go every 2 weeks. Sometimes it's like every week and a half, or sometimes we stretch it out longer and just go to the store in between and get a few things. It just kind of depends. So I'm interested to know how much yours is. We are a family of 4. So we have a 1.5-year-old and then a 4-year-old if you are new. But we're doing these dishes, gonna get them picked up, and then of course we're gonna hand wash some dishes as well too.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay.
We had fried chicken and then homemade potatoes the other night. So I had let the oil cool basically overnight because it took a while, and then I wanted to empty that out into the oil container, and we got rid of that. And then I needed to clean this cast iron skillet really quick, and then I needed just to kind of let that oil sit in hot soapy water to kind of get it all off and get it clean. So you're going to see I just kind of fill that up and then let it be, and I cleaned it a little bit later on this day, and that worked just okay. But now we're going to get into a project that I started and I really wasn't able to get finished because it didn't work out. So me and Trajan have been talking about how we needed to fix this cabinet because we have like our spices on the 2 right sides and it just isn't really functional, and then it's like awkward trying to fit everything else that we need. So I was going ahead and we had talked about raising that bottom shelf up so we could fit all the tall things that are on that second shelf on the bottom, so we just have all spices. So that was kind of our game plan. Well, I got it all emptied, went to go do it, and the cupboard, I can't even think of what it's called, the shelves are dumb. You have to like push in each corner at the same time, and you'll see I straight struggled for a while, and I finally just was like, okay, I can't do it. I need to have like more muscles or just more strength to be able to hold it all up at the same time trying to do it. So I ended up just wiping it down, putting all the spices back in, and then my husband did change that for me so that way it was all put back together the way it was supposed to. But while I was at TJ Maxx the other day, I did find like a spice organizer that was like a 3-tier one. So I think I'm going to try to put that in. I haven't done that yet. I'm going to see what that kind of looks like. I would like to get like matching spices, and that might be what I need to do for that to actually fit. But it is kind of an awkward space. So it would be beneficial to kind of have that 3-tier so we can kind of see everything that we have and organize it, because right now we're just kind of sorting through trying to figure out what we have, and it's kind of just a pain in the butt.
'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
I am just going ahead and finishing putting all these spices back. I did leave the second shelf empty. It has like our bowls, and then it has usually our fruit containers, things like that. So I did leave that be. And then we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen floor, get that all vacuum mopped. Now this is a typical day of cleaning. Waverly usually will clean up her room. We still need to do the downstairs, but overall I just love to give this house a good reset and clean at least once a day, and then at the end of the day I can just kind of pick up the leftover pieces. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very soon here in my next one. Bye.